Hey guys, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Latika and today's video is about wine and brown shades. So let's get started. So I will start with my eyes first. For that I have taken Makeup Studio concealer palette and I will take this shade to conceal my eyelid. So next I'm going to lock the creamy texture of the concealer with the powder, and I'm taking MAC shade N335. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with magenta color from Huda Beauty Nude palette and going to define my crease line. So with the kajal, I'm going to deepen my crease line, and with the pencil brush, I'm going to smudge it. So with this brown color, I'm going to make it more intense. So with the concealer and a small eyeshadow brush, I'm going to carve a crease and going to spread it on half of my lid. Now with this shade, I'm going to mattify it. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow and the shade is Stormy Storm. Now again I'm going to take dark chocolate brown color from the Stars Makers eyeshadow palette and put it on the outer corners of my eyes on both the sides. Now from the same palette I am picking up this rust color and going to blend the crease line so that all the colors merge beautifully. Now I am taking Nykaa gel liner and going to create a wing on my eyes. Now I am taking Nivea moisturizing cream to moisturize my face. And for primer, I am using Makeup Studio primer. Now for more glossy and shiny effect, I am using Swiss Beauty Illuminator and going to apply it on the highlighted areas of the face. From the same Makeup Studio palette, I am picking beige color to conceal my dark areas. For foundation, I am using Fit Me foundation. The shade is Classic Ivory and going to apply it with the foundation brush. With the PAC foundation brush, I am going to blend the foundation. Now with the damp beauty blender, I'm going to merge it properly into my skin and make sure that there are no cakey looks on my face. To contour my face, I'm using Plunge. The shade is Truffle Flesh and I'm going to contour all the areas of my face like nose, forehead and cheeks, jaws, and with the angular brush I'm going to blend them. To brighten up my highlighted areas, I am using NYX HD concealer, which is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and going to apply it on my under eye, nose, forehead and cupid area and the chin. And with the beauty blender, I am going to merge it into my skin. Now with the MAC Studio Fix, I am going to mattify my face. I'm going to apply the powder wherever I have used the foundation. To lock my contour, I am using Makeup Revolution Powder Contour. Now I am using Color Essence HD Loose Powder to bake the highlighted area, and I'm going to put generous amount of loose powder, and which we can dust off later. To give shape to my eyebrows, I am using Mary Jo K brown shade, and I'm going to fill up the gaps in my eyebrows and give a shape to it. For lashes, I'm using Pat Mint lashes. I'm going to apply it on my upper lash line. Now it's time to dust off all the excess loose powder from my face. And for the lower lash line, I'm using the same dark brown color and going to apply it on below my lower lash line. For kajal, I'm using Nykaa gel liner. I'm going to apply it on the lower as well as upper lash line. And I'm going to smudge it with the Bullet eyeshadow brush to give it a intense smoky look. Now I'm using L'Oreal bronzer shade Sun-Kissed to add some warmth on my face. For blusher, I'm using Fit Me blusher shade Peach. I'm going to apply it on the apple of my cheeks. To highlight my highlighted areas, I am using Wet n White highlighter palette. So I am going to dig into the peach shade of the highlighter and I'm going to apply it on the areas which I need to brighten up. And also applying it on the tear duct of my eyes. So again, I am using liquid eyeshadow of Swiss Beauty and going to apply it on the inner side of my lower lash line. For mascara, I am using Rimmel London mascara and going to apply it on lower as well as upper lash line. For lips, I am using Fairy Berry shade from the Sugar, and it's really beautiful shade. Now I am using Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer for the long lasting of the makeup. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. If you like, please do share your comment in the comment section, and the product descriptions are given in the description box. And let's meet in the next time with a new look. Till then, bye bye.